Hello guys, in last video we learned about what is variable. Now rule for construct variable names. There are majorly 3 or 4 rules which we should know. First is we can only use alphanumeric character and underscore. No any other special character, only underscore. Second is either starts with every variable either starts with the alpha character or underscore, not with a number. Third, variable names are case sensitive. Small a and capital A are different. Can't use Python keywords. Like in any other programming language, we don't use keywords as variables. Dynamic typing. Python variables are dynamically typed, meaning we can change the value of a variable at any time during execution and we don't have to specify the data type. Multiple assignments. We can assign a single value to multiple variables. Like if we have to assign 5000 to different variables, here's how we can do this. And different values. We can assign different values to multiple variables like this, and this is a note. Number of variables should be equal to number of values. Otherwise we will get an error. Global variables. Variables that are created globally outside of any function called global variables. And local variables. If you create a variable inside a function, then it's a local variable. Like this, we create a variable name profit and give a value of 1000, and we create this variable inside a function called collection. So this is a local variable. If you want to make a local variable a global variable, then use global keyword like this.